there is a hidden gunna which is gunnatul asli. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my Quran friend. In this video we are going to learn how to recite the specific ayats from Yasin surah ayat number 1 to 3. This is a practical reciting video. Okay, if you are watching my video for first time, I'm a certified Holy Quran recitation trainer and I do personal training and making videos about the recitation science of the Quran. Each and every ayah we should consider each and every harf's makhraj. Okay, we have to take care about the makhraj and take it seriously. Most of the people doesn't much care about the makhraj. They think this is not a big issue. If makhraj is not correct, that's not a problem for them. But in reality, that is very big mistake. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said this through the Quran around more than 10 times. I made a video about it and you can find it in my channel, inshallah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ياسين. Ya have one alif. One alif means madul asli. Madul asli. Madul asli, we have to lengthen that harf for the measurement of one alif. One alif, only one alif. No shorter than one alif, no bigger than one alif's time. Okay. One alif's time, we can measure it through our hand. The time which need to folding one finger. Like this, I will give example. In the word qala, qala, there is a madul asli for qaf. And when we say qala, 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 the time for holding this one finger and the time for one alif's qadr is same. Okay, inshallah. And in siin, that is madul lazim. We have to lengthen madul lazim for 6 alif's time. In hand measurement, we have to lengthen that madul lazim, the time which need to fold 6 fingers. Yasin, this time. Okay, and you can easily measure it with your own hand while you're reciting. There is a hidden gunna which is gunnatul asli, when the harfs have the sukun harakat, or the time we give sukun when we do waqf. Instead of reciting like Yasin, recite like this. Yasin. A small millisecond gunna we have to give it in nun sakin, in mim sakin, inshallah. The next ayah, wal Qur'anil Hakim. In this ayah we have to take care about the makhraj of waw, qaf, hams, noon, ha, kaf, mim. Okay, and the gunnatul asli at the end of the mim, hakim, you have to give that millisecond gunna. There is a mad which called madul arid, wal Qur'anil Hakim. This is madul arid. There is only a madul asli when we recite in wasl. Okay, like wal Qur'anil Hakim innaka laminal mursalin, like that. And when we waqaf on hakim, that madul arid came. In madul arid, the mandatory lengthening time is madul asli's same time, one alif time, one finger holding time, and it can be lengthened up to 6 alif's time. Okay, even we can lengthen up to 6 alif's time. We can decide that 1 alif time or 2 alif. The next ayah is innaka laminal mursalin. Take care about the every harf's makhraj. Noon which have a shad, okay, and mim which have a shad, we have to give gunna for it in any situation. Okay, innaka laminal mursalin. And don't forget about giving gunnatul asli at the end of the ayah for nun sakin. Okay, and that's all about this. I hope you learned easily, inshallah. Taqabbalallahu minna wa minkum. And support me, okay, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.